Hello everybody and welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is days number 61 and 62. If you would, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Ebe Wazir, aka Ebe the Affiliate. And right now I'm teaching people how to make money on ClickBank using a product called My Lead Gen Secret. And what My Lead Gen Secret is a platform where you can get 100 leads every single day just for $1. And I've seen some case studies on this before I got started with my video series, and they were using 5 accounts for this. And for my video series, I'm going to use 2. The people that are using 5 accounts, they recommend that you use at least 2 accounts. So that's what I'm going to do. I came in and I created my 2 accounts. And for you to get started, the first thing you would need to do is click on the link down below that says click here to get started. It'll take you to a page. You fill out your information, create you in an account. It's going to cost $30. They're going to charge you an extra $30 for a one-time sign-up fee. Then after that, it's going to be $1 a day. And they're going to charge you that $30 for each account that you make. So if you're going to have 2 accounts, then you're going to have to pay an extra $60. So just keep that in mind. But after that, it's going to be $1 a day to get these leads. And the purpose of doing this is not to get rich quick. You want to build up this list. If you're going to do this, be in it for the long run. Like, know you're going to do this for over a year or something like that. Like, have that in mind before you just get started, because this isn't a get rich quick scheme. What we're doing is we're building a massive list. So after you click on that link and you get signed up, what I want you to do is I want you to log into it. They're going to give you your login information. I want you to come log in. And as soon as you come to this page, this is how you're going to log in. You're just going to click on members login and fill out your information. Now, this is how you're going to set up your next account. No, the site does that all the time. Let me do this again real quick. So after you create your first account, immediately log into your first account, and I'm going to show you how to set up your second account. So as soon as you log in, you're going to highlight this link right here. You're going to right click on it and copy it. Then you're just going to click on the plus symbol up here, open up a new tab, and then you're going to right click in the bar and then hit paste and go. Now it's going to take you back to this screen. Now what you're going to do is you're going to use My Secret Now. You're going to click on that button right there and fill out your information again, get signed up. That's how you're going to sign up your second account. And if you create more than 2 accounts, then continue the process. Log into your second account and then sign up your third account under your second account's link. What that is doing is that's giving your first account 100 bonus leads every single day. So it's getting 200 leads now every single day for $1. So, and if you do that with your second account, if you sign up your third account underneath your second account, then your second account's going to start getting 200 leads every single day. So that's why they do that with the 5 accounts. It's to get these bonus leads. And so whenever you sign up multiple accounts, each account is getting 200 leads except for that last one. So if you sign up multiple accounts, please do it that way so you're getting these bonus leads every single day. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And if you're just tuning into this and you haven't seen my other videos, I do have an all-in-one $25 business tutorial going on right now. I'm on day 3. I got 3 days worth of recorded. Actually 4, but then I have a high ticket affiliate marketing series. And if you're just tuning into this series, I highly advise you go watch the very first video right here, because I break down everything. I'm going to kind of go fast in these videos, but I break down how to set up your accounts the proper way. I explain ClickBank and how to set up your account with ClickBank, because you're going to need to do that. I have a link for ClickBank down low as well. So you're going to need to start there. So that's day 0. So start with day 0 of this playlist. All right, let me erase that. All right, so I'm going to sign into my ClickBank. And I did not get to send emails out yesterday. I had a 4th of July event I attended to, and it fell within that 24 hours, because you only can email these lists once every 24 hours, and my 24 hours wasn't up by the time I had to leave. So all right, I do not have a sale yet for the month of July. So what you need an account nickname in order to do this. So create you an account nickname if you don't have one already. So I'm going to go ahead and click on mine. I'm going to close this one out. All right, those have been my weekly snapshot sales for the past few weeks using this system with 2 accounts. So I'm going to click on reporting up here so I could jot down some of my stats real quick. So 5,409 hops. 5,409 hops, $0 for the third. All right, and yeah, you can see that dip. I didn't send out no email, so there's that big dip right there, the Big Dipper. I'm gonna click on tracking ID so I can see my accounts numbers. I never went back to this Herc right here just because it only got 3 hops, so I don't think that's something that's really gonna work for this. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I already have these weekly email swipes. It's from these companies. Here, I'll show you how I got them. I'm going to come up here to Marketplace. Click on Marketplace. I'll show you how you can get this company to send you like emails that they don't have here on ClickBank. And not only that, but they'll give you a 10% commission increase. So what you're going to do is the only category that these leads work for is the e-business and e-marketing. These are people that are coming online trying to make money online. So they fall in this category right here. And if you have another product that you promote that's not ClickBank or whatever, but it falls in the e-business and e-marketing category, feel free to use this platform to promote that other business as well. I use this to promote my other products as well too. So all right, so we're going to check out these email swipes. I got a link right below. It says weekly email swipes. That's what I'm using to bring you to this page. Now you cannot edit this page. If you want to make your own edits, what you're going to do is you're going to click on File, then click on Make a Copy. And then now you can name this whatever you want, and then click on Make a Copy, and it'll open up a new window just like this, and you can do all the edits that you want. But don't send me any trying to get access to this, because I'll just tell you to make a copy. All right, so close this tab out. I'm gonna sign back into my mailing. I'm gonna come to my lead gen secrets, and we're gonna click on mailing system. And we're gonna select all the leads right there. And as you can see, I built this up over time. So your first couple of months it's gonna be slow. Just like I said, if you're going to do this, be sure you're going to do this for at least a year. Like I knew I was going to try this out for at least a year before I even had any kind of thoughts of quitting and giving this up. So, and right now, I'm already in the positive ROI. That's what I was looking for. You're going to start off in a negative. In affiliate marketing, usually you start off in a negative with the ROIs, and then your big returns come whenever you stick with the business. So I'm sticking with the business. All right, so the last subject line was $25 to $35 an hour. So I'm going to find out. And the one that we were doing was the last one, the social sales rep. Yep, the social sales rep. And that one was, oh no. Okay, so I'm going to do it. I think we already used those. I'm going to post this other one I got. I got an updated one. And I want to promote another product. I want to go back to the, if you click on e-business and e-marketing, I'll show you how to find the best products. Sort results by, you'll change that to gravity. Then they'll list the best products just like this. So I'm going to go back to this product. And if you click on the affiliate page, this is how you can get the emails and the 10% commission bump. All you have to do is just fill out your name and your email and then click join now. And they will start sending you emails like I'm about to open up right here. They sent me these emails. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to be using this email right here at the very top, paying social media jobs, emails. Get paid to chat to Facebook group members, $240 per day. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to highlight that and hit Control C to copy. And come back to the mailing system. You can also use emails here. They have email swipes right here. I've already used all of these. They have 20 of them that you can use right here. But after you use them up, that's why I fill this out, and they send you more to use. So I'm going to paste that right in here. Get paid to chat to Facebook group members, $240 a day. I'm going to come down here, hit Control A, and then hit delete. What Control A does, it selects all. I'm going to come back over here and highlight the whole body. Make sure there's nothing else to copy. So stop right there where it says signature. Hit Control C to copy. Then I'm going to come over here, hit Control V to paste. Now you see how everything is bold? I don't want everything bold. So I'm going to hit Control A to select all. Then I'm going to turn the bold off. All right, now where it says name right here, we're going to scroll up. And this is the only code. These are like little codes you could put in, and it'll like insert their first name, full name, last name, whatever you tell it to insert. So it's going to call all 40,200 people by their first name. We're going to grab the code right next to where it says first name and hit Control C to copy. And we're going to highlight where it says name right there and hit Control V to paste. All right. Take this little, I'm going to shorten this spacing out. Then I'm going to put my first and last name in here. I'm going to click this box that says perfect timing. Now what we need to do is we need to come back and get our affiliate link. So we need to scroll down where it says hop link. We're going to highlight this. Hit Control C to copy. Come back to the mailing system. And you can hit Control L. Or you can just click on this link right here. Up at the top right. And then you're going to insert. So hit Control V. So you can paste your link right there. Now, don't hit OK yet because this link is not OK. We need to scroll over to where it says right here, your ClickBank ID. And I also have that highlighted. Oh, I don't have these highlighted. But on my other page, I have them highlighted. I'll have this highlighted. By the time you watch this video, I'll make sure I'll have this highlighted for you all. So wherever it says your ClickBank ID, this is where you'll insert your ClickBank ID. To make it easier, if I were you, I would make a copy like I showed you earlier. Hit File, make a copy, and then make your own copy, and then click on Make a Copy. Then I would just go ahead and insert your ClickBank ID right there. So you don't have to do that every time. You could just highlight the whole link at once. So you don't have to keep inserting it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you all how to do it. So now I'm just going to insert my affiliate account nickname with ClickBank. Then you'll just hit OK. I didn't mean to do it there. Sorry. I meant to do it in this box. Oh yeah, we need to highlight it. Right here where it says click here, we're going to highlight click here. Actually, I'm going to do the whole sentence this time. Just highlight that whole sentence. Click on that link. Then we're going to paste the link right here. See, that was the step I skipped on accident. So I'm going to come here and insert my account nickname. I'll scroll over a little bit further so you can see it comes after the word affiliate and the equal sign. And you'll put in your name, and then right after your name should be the and symbol. Then you'll click OK. Then there's one more spot down here. Social media, here's your demands right now. Click here. I'm going to highlight this sentence right here. Click here to complete your application. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to do the same thing. Right there. Your ClickBank ID. Delete that. Okay. All right, so now we're going to hit preview. There's a button right here that says preview. Let's preview the links to make sure that they work. All right, so we entered the links correctly. If the emails or if the links don't work, go back and check that you might have to recopy your hop link again and make sure that you didn't erase too much whenever you're filling out your account nickname. Now all you have to do is just hit send email. And now I'm going to show you how to send emails with your other accounts the fast way, so we don't have to enter all of this stuff again. So our name will be there, the link will be there, and our code for the first name will be up there. So stay logged in, do not log out. What you're going to do is you're going to come up here and right click and hit duplicate. So now you got two tabs that say mailing system. The one on the right, we're going to log out of this one on the one on the right. And to do that, if there's no orange banner here where we can click on account, then we'll just click on this banner up here where it says My Lead Gen Secret. And then that'll pop up. We can click on account and then log out. Now click on member login. We're just going to log right back in, but this time we're going to log in with our second account. And if you make more than one account, you will have to have different emails for this. So just go and make some emails just so you could do this. It's no big deal. It's free to make emails. Then we're just going to repeat the steps. So click on mailing system. Click select all. For the subject, we're going to come back to the first tab. Scroll down and highlight that. Then hit Control C to copy. Then come back over here and hit Control V to paste. Then we're going to come down, hit Control A to select all, and then delete. I'm saying a lot of keyboard shortcuts, and I'll show you why here in a second. So we're going to hit Control A to select all. Then we're going to hit Control C to copy. Because if I try to right click and hit paste, it's not going to let me. Like, it's going to tell you to hit Control V or Command V on the Mac. So just get in the habit of Control V to paste, Control C to copy, and Control A will select all. And then we'll just click perfect timing. As you can see, that link is already there. You can double click on it. Our name is there. The first name code is up there. So click on preview. Let's make sure the links are working. We aren't tracking these because I don't know how to add a tracking link at the end. I do need to look that up. But just hit send email and that's it. So that is how you use My Lead Gen Secret. So thank you all for tuning in. I hope you all have a happy 4th of July. Be safe out there. Don't blow off any fingers or anything like that. Don't be stupid. Play safe. Y'all take care. Have a good day.